This is Joker Raccoon 40. This is what I got at Boom City in Washington. I got Excalibur and this big giant box for $130, and also that backpack. We let some stuff off yesterday. It's 4 in the morning. I got some apaches and all that other stuff in that bag for free. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I got 2 of these Baby Seal firecrackers for free, and I got some Dixie whistles for free too. So yeah, I also got a tank. We used it yesterday. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to light up some apaches and maybe some canister shells at night. Probably gonna light some of this stuff off like tonight. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching.